In your long and illustrious career, which case of that which you have fought or which has come to you has really touched your heart personally?
So, of course, we've done a lot of cases, but if I were to pick one which sort of I felt better about, it was the case of a person called Mahesh Gosabi. Mahesh Gosabi had gone to court to challenge the fact that his daughter had not got admission in the medical college, while Nilangika Patil, who was the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, daughter had got admission, though she had lesser marks. So what I remember about Mahesh is, he was sitting, in those days I was in my first office, which is in B17 Marani Bagh, small little office, 2 desks, my desk, Manek's desk, and he was sitting across me. And he said something which I've never forgotten. He said, "You see, sir, it's like this. If he thinks that he's a big man and we are only small middle class people and he can do whatever he likes and get away with it, then he's mistaken." And in that case, ultimately as a result of that writ petition, Nilangika Patil lost his chief ministership. So out of the many cases we've handled over the years, this is one that always comes back to me as a sort of a remembrance of how a small man can take on a large system and still win.
How long did that case go on for?
It came to me in the Supreme Court, and I think it was enveloped in a period of about 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. In the Supreme Court, it came for admission, it was put for final hearing, we argued it, we succeeded, and that was over.
So was this gentleman a friend of yours, or he just
He was
approached
just trying to
the client who came to you? Because everyone, you have such a big name and everyone thinks that yes, if we go...
In those days, I didn't have such a big name. I mean, even if I have it today, in those days I didn't. It was our early days. So it was a small fledgling firm, maybe 2-3 people, Manek and me, and maybe one junior.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was one of our early cases.